Another type of resource you can use to provide content is a page. It is essentially a web page resource using the text editor. It can display text, images, video, web links, and more. The About This Course page template that GRATS is supplying you is a page in Moodle. It provides information in an easily accessible and attractive manner. Later on, you'll see how a page can enhance the design of your course. First, let's learn how to create it. We turn editing on. Scroll down, click on Add an Activity or Resource. Go to Resources, click the radio button next to the page, and click Add. Give your page a name. This will be displayed in the content section of your course. Students will access it by clicking on it, so make sure it is descriptive. Write a description of the page and decide if you want it displayed in the course page or not. Remember, in designing your course, less is more. So if the name of the page is descriptive enough, you won't want the description to be displayed. It prevents clutter. So I'm just going to type Celebrating Israel, because I am not choosing to have it described, having it displayed on the course page. Now comes the fun part. Click on Content, and we see our text editor. We've played with this a little bit already. Remember that you can expand and contract the options and resize the workspace. You can change the fonts, the colors, and add images. You can also add a link to a website. Here is how. Let's type some text. Because the day I'm making this video is very close to Yom Ha'atzmaut, let's create a link to a site that explains Israel Independence Day. We'll type, click here to learn more about Yom Ha'atzmaut. We can highlight the text to make it pretty. You can choose a font. Let's choose Georgia. You can make the text a little bit bigger if we'd like. We can also change its color to, say, blue. Now, we're going to highlight the text that we want to be linked to the URL. So click here. We click on the Insert Edit Link button on the toolbar. Paste the URL we want to link to. And in the target field, we determine if the web page will open in this window or in a new window. Don't worry about these other two. Let's have it open in this window just to see what will happen. Title is a description of the URL. When the user hovers over the link, that title will appear if you so desire. So we'll type in Yom Ha'atzmaut. Insert. Now we're going to add a video into our page, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to love it. Go to the YouTube page where your video is, and then copy the URL from the top of the page, from your browser. Don't use the share button. This is a little trick I'm going to show you. Just take the URL from the top of your browser, the one that says watch, copy, go to your edit page, paste it, you highlight the URL, click Insert Edit Link, paste the URL. You don't have to worry about title. Click Insert. Now let's minimize the window and save and display. And there's the video. Isn't that cool? It's part of the page. If we go back, we have the appearance section where you can choose to display the page name at the top of your page. Common module settings, you want to make sure that the page is visible. Again, click Save and Return to Course. Celebrating Israel page is right there. You click on it, and there we have our link, which gets highlighted with the text that you typed in. If you click it, you go to the My Jewish Learning page about Yom HaAtzmaut, you click back, and you're back at your page. You can always, if you go back to the front page again, you can always re-edit what you're doing on any resource or activity by clicking on the Edit button and then the Edit settings, and you can move it to the right or whatever you'd like to do to make it look nicer. That's it. That's how you make a page. Not too difficult, was it?